Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is metatrader, and in today's episode we are going to analyze gold USD, and we are going to use smart money concept. First of all, we are going to identify the order flow. This is a daily time frame, and you can see clearly that the market is bearish. So this trend line here confirms to us that gold USD is in a downtrend on a daily time frame. You can see it has touched 2 points here, and if you draw the other time trend line, you can see clearly that gold is in a bearish. So in this case, the first thing to do on a daily time frame is to identify the recent break of structure on a daily time frame. This is a higher time frame, and the recent break of structure was this zone here. After that, the next step to do is to identify the order block that led to the recent break of structure. And in this case, the order block that led to the recent break of structure is this order block here, which is a supply zone. So this is a supply zone. Right? This is a supply zone. In this case, this being a supply zone, we can see clearly that after this break of structure here, this is a break of structure. This is a BOS, which means break of structure. So gold being on a downtrend on a daily time frame, we have our daily supply zone here, and also gold after touching this trend line, we have another supply zone and demand zone here, and this area here is our demand zone. So we can label it as a demand zone. This is our recent demand zone, which is unmitigated. So when we are trading, we have two types of demand and supply zones. We have mitigated and unmitigated. Mitigated supply zones or demand zones, and demand zones which have been tested. Unmitigated demand zones and supply zones, and demand zones and supply zones which have not been mitigated or retested, or which have not been tapped again since the market left. So you can see clearly here, this market has not yet retested this demand zone, and you can see there is a gap creation here. This gap, you can see here, this one shows that there was a lot of buying pressure at this point here. So there was imbalance, or this gap, or another term which is fair value gap. That means there was insufficiency of sellers at this point here. Buyers were exceeding sellers. The market was not balanced. So in this scenario here, gold having been on a downtrend and creating a series of lower lows, you can see there are several break of structure. So in this scenario here, using smart money concept and the market structure trading strategy, what I do is you can see this bullish candle here. This is this shows that there was a lot of buyers in the market, and in this scenario, you are going also to mark this candle here as a point of interest. So this one being a point of interest, we are going to this is a point of interest. So in this case, this being a supply zone, we don't execute trades at supply zone without proper confirmation, and this being a higher time frame, and most of us are intraday traders, the best thing to do is to go on a lower time frame. First of all, we are going to go to 4-hour time frame. In a daily time frame, we have already seen that gold is bearish. So when we go to 4-hour time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame. You can see our market is still in a downward channel, and we have this point of interest here, and we have a supply zone, which is this one here. This area we have an imbalance. This is imbalance on a 4-hour time frame. So having imbalance here on a 4-hour time frame and a point of interest here, which is another block, we are going to analyze gold and see if at this supply zone we are going to take our sales. And first of all, you can see it somehow consolidating with some candles, so it has not yet started down, it has not yet given us a proper confirmation of the way. So the area I am going to consider is this area here. If gold breaks this level here, I'm probably going to take sales on a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. Because this is an H4 time frame, if you draw these levels here, these levels, if gold breaks this level, it is going to have shifted its direction to a downtrend. And if it breaks this level here, it shows that it has broken our channel in a daily time frame. So this shows that gold might be bullish. It will break this channel and become bullish. So if you go to 4-hour time frame, I will consider these two levels here, this level and this level here. This side we call it sell side liquidity, and this is buy side liquidity. This is a 4-hour time frame, and we go to 1-hour time frame. The more we go to lower time frames, that is how the market we get open to the market and understand it better. So you can see how the market is here. It shows that this kind of stick here, there is a lot of buying pressure on this level here, because you can see there was a lot of rejection, and after that rejection we also had this rejection after tapping the same area. So maybe probably this market, if it comes here and gets another rejection, maybe it can move to this buy side liquidity or this supply zone here. So we are still waiting to see how the market will unfold, so that we can execute our trades, either sells or buys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's continue to watch the market. I'll give more signals, I'll give more analysis to this pair. I'm still waiting for random session to open. As at recording of this video, we are still on Asian session, so I'm still waiting to see how the random session will unfold. Thank you guys for your kind support. Thank you guys for watching my videos. For new viewers, please kindly subscribe, like and share, so that you can receive more videos of this nature. Thank you guys.